In this video, I'm going to show you the 20 best ways to make up the $300 per hour as a teenager so you don't have to work a job. First up is a side hustle I made hundreds of thousands of dollars from when I was 18 and 19 years old. It's Snapchat Spotlight. This side hustle gave me my first taste of big boy money and made tons of my friends tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars as well. In fact, my homie Tyler got paid $250,000 for one 7-second video he posted in May of 2022. That's 5 times an average American salary made in one day. And what's awesome is anyone could have posted that video and got paid the $250,000. It was literally an unedited clip of his friend dunking at LA Fitness, that's it. A clip any one of y'all could have filmed by whipping out your phone in the gym, posting it, and bing bong, $250K would have been deposited into your bank account. This side hustle is great because there's no barrier to entry. You don't need a massive following, big names, or even connections. As long as you post a video people want to watch, it can go viral and make you lots of money. Now granted, it's not going to be those massive 6-figure paychecks we were getting paid back in early 2021 and 2022, but you can still be paid a few $100s for a video you film in seconds. How getting paid in 2023 works is you need to get around 200 to 400,000 views on a video within the first 24 hours of posting it. The more views you get, the higher your chance of getting paid is. And for y'all wondering what type of videos you should post on Spotlight, there are 2 main types. One is influencer content. This is where influencers download their TikTok videos and post them on Snapchat. This is by far the best way to make money with Snapchat Spotlight in 2023, but if you're not an influencer, don't worry. You can become one by making content, or you could download other influencers' videos and post them on your Spotlight. That's what a lot of people did in the early days to make loads of money, but Snapchat cracked down on that in 2022. So I wouldn't recommend reposting content, although it is still possible to download a creator's video, post it in your Spotlight, and get paid hundreds of dollars for that video. The second way is by posting your Snapchat memories. Now I know a lot of y'all won't want to do that because it's embarrassing to post old videos of yourself using filters or kissing a pillow because you had no riz, but tons of viral videos on Spotlight in the early days were just random videos from people's Snapchat memories, like pranking friends, playing with food, fails, or just acting like an idiot like I did. So if you want to have some of the best times of your life filming stupid videos with your friends and making hundreds of dollars per day while doing so, give Snapchat Spotlight a try. It costs no money to start and could potentially make you 6 figures, just like the next side hustle, organic affiliate marketing. Organic affiliate marketing is another side hustle I made 6 figures from with medium effort. How it works is you get paid a percentage of every sale you get for a company. For example, if I was doing affiliate marketing for a jewelry brand that sells $10 bracelets and my commission was 10% per bracelet, that means I would make $1 every time someone bought a bracelet using my affiliate link. In fact, I'm sure there's girls at your school that do this. If you've ever seen someone have a call to action in their IG profile that says something like,
"Get 10% off jewelry with code Sarah's hot in my bio,"
that is affiliate marketing. She reached out to the brand and got a special link that gives her 10% of all sales through her link. So if people spend $10,000 using your code, Sarah would make $1,000. And what's great about organic affiliate marketing is you can do this for basically any product out there, like clothes, snowboards, shoes, bikes, children, etc. The more expensive the product is, the more money you make per sale. Like say you sell 20 pairs of football cleats to your school's team for $200 each and you get 10% of that, that's $400 in your pocket. The only drawback to this is most affiliates need you to be 18 years or older to use PayPal. So to work around that, you could either use your parents' account or do this method the reselling way, which is side hustle 3. I'm sure everyone watching knows what this is, and in fact, most of you have probably done it before. Regardless if you sold your friends candy, gum, poisonous vapes, or school supplies, you know you can indeed make decent money selling products or services in school. My friend made $100 per week selling candy in middle school, and I've heard of other students making hundreds of dollars per month providing painting services, like painting custom Air Force Ones, painting phone cases, or even painting people's faces in the bathroom. So if you have a talent or access to buy products that students love in bulk, like sweets or mints, it's definitely worth a shot to try to resell them at school. Just be careful of doing it out in the open. A lot of schools have already banned reselling, and for the ones that didn't, they probably will if you're looking like Lil Tay flashing $20 bills in the hallway after a sale. And speaking of Lil Tay, she somehow has more subscribers than me, which is unacceptable. So please go down there her and subscribe right now so we can beat her. Next up is an absolute banger. It's selling print-on-demand t-shirts in school. How it works is websites like Teespring allow you to put any design on a t-shirt for a cheap price. So you can ask friends in school if they want a sick t-shirt related to their hobbies, sports, favorite shows, or even if they want their own face on a t-shirt. And if they say yes, you take their money, create the product on Teespring, then give it to them in school when it arrives. I personally made over $2,000 doing this in a similar manner when I was in 11th grade, so I know you guys can definitely make a few $100s. In fact, I also know a kid who made Hasbulla shirts for students in his middle school and made over $400 in 1 week. So if you want to do this, just go to teespring.com, add the image a student wants on a shirt, buy the shirt for $15 to $20, then sell it to them for $30 to $40 for an easy $20 profit. Next up is a way I made a few $100s per night playing Fortnite after I got home from school and my minimum wage job. It's TikTok live streams. Back in 2020, I would live stream Fortnite and get hella donations for doing so. Like this night, I got 39.2k gift points, which was worth $392 back then. Now granted, this was because I already had hundreds of thousands of followers at the time, but don't worry, there is still a way to make money with TikTok live streams without many followers in 2023. It's the stupidest thing ever called the NPC trend. It's when people go live and react to donations as if they were a video game NPC, aka a non-playable character. Like if they get an ice cream donation, they go, ice cream good! And because of their weird reaction, people keep donating to them, which makes them money. The top NPC streamers are making thousands per day, and it's possible that one of your first streams could go viral and make you a few $100s. Oh, and a secret is you can record one 24-hour live stream, then keep replaying that stream non-stop for an infinite money glitch. And speaking of money glitches, Side Hustle 6 is basically a free money glitch for anyone over the age of 18. It's investing app rewards. How it works is investing apps like Webull want new members, so they pay people to sign up for their platform. All you have to do is sign up for Webull with the special affiliate link in my description, deposit 1 cent or more, then you can claim your free money. I'm pretty sure you can get up to $3,000 in free stocks right now, but some months it's been up to $30,000. So read what their website says whenever you watch this video and follow those instructions to claim your funds before it's too late. The link is in my description. Next up is a way to make money from a skill most of you already have, and if you don't have it, don't worry, you can learn it fast. It's editing. With the rise of TikTok and CapCut, lots of young people have become famous influencers or phenomenal editors. And because of that, there are a lot of influencers looking for people like you to edit their content. The average short form editor makes $500 to $2,000 per month by editing 1 video a day. So if you're good at editing, start emailing creators today, pick up a few clients, and if you edit the same 3 clients' videos each month, that can make you $6,000 per month at any age. Next up is curb painting. Curb painting is when you paint people's house number on the street in front of their home. It's the perfect side hustle for anyone any age because it's very inexpensive to start and takes no skills. All you need to do is buy the paint and stencils, which cost around $30 for paint, $5 for templates, and $15 for brushes. Then once you have your supplies, you'd acquire customers through door-to-door sales. Just knock on people's doors and pitch how this service will help first responders get to their home faster and enhance the prestige of their home. I guarantee loads of people will say yes because your service is emotionally attached. And well, my friend Garrett is already doing this successfully in Utah, charging $50+ per curb. But that doesn't mean you can charge $50. He uses premium paint, reflective beads, and has a full-on business. To start as a beginner, I'd recommend charging $20 to $25 per curb, and as you get better, you can increase your prices. Number 9 is a great side hustle that I would 100% do if I was still in slave camp. It's AI homework. How this works is you do other classmates' homework and sometimes even test with AI to ensure they get a good grade, and in exchange you can get paid very well, especially if you take advantage of those wealthy snob students who don't want to do anything. I've heard of kids getting paid hundreds of dollars for simply doing rich kids' homework with ChatGPT. Say you do 2 kids' homework every night for $5 each, that's $50 per week, which equals $200 per month and could make you more than $1,000 in 1 school year. Just find lazy or dumb students who need this service, have them send you a screenshot of their homework, ask ChatGPT for the answers, then send it back to them and get paid. And for y'all wondering why the students want to do it themselves, it's because they're smooth brained. These kids literally smoke smoke flavored air and watch TikTok 25 hours a day. They probably couldn't even spell ChatGPT to do it themselves. And speaking of helping dumb kids, side hustle 10 is becoming a school tutor. I've heard of schools paying smart kids $10 to $20 per hour to help struggling students, and I've also heard of parents who have children with room temperature IQs paying smart kids up to $50 per hour to help their child. So if you're smart and have patience, I definitely look into becoming a school tutor. It pays more than McDonald's. And so does Hustle 11, scaping the land. Landscaping is literally the perfect first side hustle because you get paid immediately once finishing the job. You can do multiple jobs per day. It's easy to get repeat clients, and in some cases it costs no money to start because you can use your neighbor's equipment to mow their lawn. On average, you'd make 50% less than a real landscaping company because you're a kid, but that's still tons of money considering most landscapers charge $80 to $140 per hour. Hence, you could charge $40 to $70 per lawn, and even with one client, you can make $2,000 to $3,000 per year for only spending 1 hour per week mowing their property. It's a great business to start young, and even if they paid you as little as $10 per mowing session, that's still $520 for spending 1 hour per week mowing lawns. Next up is a way to get paid for photos and videos that you've already taken. There's a website called Shutterstock which brands go on to buy specific photos. So if you have any of the specific photos they want, like a sunset, a pretty tree, an owl, or a cute baby holding a Glock, they will pay you decent money for the rights to your photos. Sometimes it's a few bucks per picture, and other times it's up to $300. Hustle 13 is one of the best ways to make money ever because it doesn't even feel like you're working. You get paid $15 to $30 per hour for simply playing with cute doggos and kitties. It's pet sitting. Pet sitting jobs are in very high demand right now, so it's very easy to find these positions by looking online or asking your community. And while you're doing that, you might as well ask if anyone needs their car washed, their windows cleaned, or landscaping done so you can make some extra cash. Next up is one of the best side hustles of all time, drop shipping. Drop shipping literally teaches you everything you need to know to become successful in business, and the concept is beyond goated. You find a great product from a Chinese supplier, sell it for 5 times the price on your own website, then keep all the profit. And if you want to learn how to make tens of thousands of dollars per month drop shipping, you can watch my in-depth drop shipping tutorial right here. Just click right there, subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and God bless.